Hello viewers, welcome to Yummy Tasty Foods channel. Today, using this bourbon biscuit, we are going to make chocolate cake. So let's begin by breaking these biscuits into small pieces and grind them. So break them all. You can take as many biscuits you want. You can also use one big packet of bourbon, or you can use any biscuit which has chocolate flavor in it, like Oreo. Now we are going to grind them. Now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. Now we are going to grind them. The main of making this cake is it's very easy because we are not going to make in oven, and here is a idli cooker where we have kept salt and a stand. If you have a cake stand, you can use them. And before making the mix, you have to making the batter, you have to on this stove. Now this salt is getting heated. The chocolate powder, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. We are slowly going to add milk to the powder. Don't add all the milk at a time. Keep on mixing. Add some more milk. Now we are going to add some cashew nuts. It is optional, or you can add any other. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, or you can add Eno, which does not have any taste, and some milk, and mix them. Now the batter is ready. This is the cake bowl. In this I have applied some butter and maida, or you can use also the butter paper and apply some butter on it. So now we are going to pour the mixture or the batter on this. Now this is ready. It's a bit hot. Now we are going to keep the mixture. Make sure it does not touches anywhere in the corner. Close it with the lid. Now after 20 minutes, we'll come once and check. To check whether the cake is baked or no. Just poke the cake. Now we can see it's not baked yet. So let's wait. Again we are going to check whether the cake is baked or no. baked. We are going to take off it. Now we have turned the vessel. Just beat on the top so that the cake comes out. It's slowly coming. Now we are going to decorate the cake. Now the chocolate cake is ready. You can have it. It looks very tasty. If you are seeing our video for the first time, like our video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell button for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy your chocolate cake.